doggy?
The Whisperer.
It's like the beginning of the bad.
Eh? Guys, you should try. Alex, this is your chance.
Hey, this is my finger.
Oh my god.
Man, guys, I cannot believe it.
He's like, I want to be a pet.
Oh my gosh. Man, he's on there strong.
He's a friendly guy.
He's an ambassador.
Don't, you know, be very, very gentle, guys. Be very, very gentle.
Okay.
But you should try it, Masha. You absolutely should try
You
it.
have to try it. She just started eating. Yeah, yeah. It's gonna get your foot.
I see that.
Oh yeah. Look at the color change.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
He's well hidden too.
Yeah, seriously, with that algae.
That's quick. How long do you think we walked by one?
Oh, you guys all. The only reason I saw it is because it moved a little bit, and I saw the.
Like, how many others out there do you think we walked by?
That one's a fairly large one.